G'day, how are ya? It's Mark here again, and today we're going to play the major scale in 3 different fingerings. And shock horror, we're going to play it in all 12 keys, ascending chromatically, and by using the cycle of fourths. The first fingering of the major scale we're going to learn is the first finger, and it's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, okay? And back down. We're also going to double the octave, so that means play the high C twice. Beautiful. We're going to move this up the neck chromatically. So C sharp major, okay? D major, D sharp major, E major, and so on and so forth until we get to the C major scale up on the 15th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now C sharp. D major on the 5th fret. D sharp major, 6th fret. E major. F major, F sharp major, G major from the 10th fret. G sharp major. A major. A sharp major. B flat major. That's that enharmonic spelling again. Oh, gotta double the octave. See, I'm talking too much. B major. We'll play the C major, the octave higher. For the second fingering, we're going to use our middle finger, our second finger. Now we're going to take this shape all the way up chromatically until we get to the C major scale up on the 15th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. So C major, second finger. C sharp major. So the major scale is also known as the Ionian Mode. So that's I, O, N, I, A, N. This is D major, D Ionian. So a great way to get the pattern is to be thinking 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. Go for your finger pattern. And the the scale degrees for F major, we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So they're known as scale degrees. It just goes up in order. So that's 5, 6, 7, 8 or 1, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, we got G major from our second finger. G sharp major. A major. B flat or A sharp major. B major. Finally, C major on the 15th fret. Okay, and finally we have the major scale from our pinky, and we're going to play it on the 8th fret of the E string. Okay, now you might notice my hand shifted, so I'm playing C with my pinky on the 8th fret, and then I'm playing D, E, F, 1, 3, 4 with my 1st, 3rd and 4th finger, okay, 5th fret, 7th fret, 8th fret. Then I play the G with my 1st finger, but then I come over and use my pinky to play the A, and that shifts my hand over. So now I can play the B with my 1st, and then the C with my 2nd. Now this shifting technique is going to come in handy in a lot of different things, okay? So, slower again. Okay, now for this next finger pattern, to make it easier for you, we're going to start on the 5th fret. We're going to start on the A and play A major scale first. Okay, and that's so when we get up here, okay, it's still comfortable. 1, 2, you know what to do. B flat major. B major. See my hand shifting over? C sharp major. Finally, A major up on the 7th fret. Okay, so now we're going to take these 3 different finger patterns, okay, of the major scale. We're going to put them through the cycle of 4. So the first time, we're going to go up and down as we just played them. And when we get to C the second time, we'll use our second finger. And when we get to C the third time, we're going to use our pinky. All right, from the first finger, C major. 1, 2, you know what to do. C major. F major. B flat major on the 6th fret. A flat major. D flat major. G flat major. B major. E major, up on the 7th. A major on the 5th of the E string. D major. G major on the 3rd fret. I'm going to go up to the 8th fret on the E string with my 2nd finger for C major. Now F major. B flat major. going to go up to the 8th fret with my pinky for this next C major scale. Before we play the major scale from the pinky, I think it's good to note that they all have to be on the bottom string. Start from the 8th fret, that's C, and then you're going to have to go up to the 13th fret for F, and then B flat, E flat, A flat, okay, so on and so forth, D flat, G flat, okay, same thing, B. Okay, so we'll do that now and I'll count you in, but I just thought I wanted to make that clear because you might try and start on the A string or the D string and obviously that's not going to work for you. So 1, 2, let's get down. Okay, now the 13th fret for the F major. For B flat major. E flat majors on the 11th fret. A flat major up here on the 16th fret. And D flat major on the 9th fret. Now on the 14th fret. Then we've got the 7th fret for the B major scale. Or B Ionian, or mode 1. 12th fret for the E Ionian, or mode 1, or major scale. We got A on the 5th fret. And D on the 10th fret. Now for G, we're going to go up to the 15th fret. And then back to C. Here we go. So now you can play the major scale with 3 different fingerings in all 12 keys comfortably. If you did dig the lesson, then thumbs up, subscribe, do all that cool stuff, share it with your mates. I've got some really cool stuff planned for this series, so I need you to learn all the stuff that we've discussed so we can take it to the next level in the next lessons. Hope you're having a great week. I'll catch you next time. See you then.